So what we want to talk about today is the fine line between just selling your stuff and really creating that sticky attraction to your movement that people want to be a part of. So how do we turn the selfie into sales? First, you know the drill. Before we get started, I want you to hit subscribe. I want you to hit the bell for notifications, as everybody does, right? So let's get into it. 3 things that you can do to walk the line of self-promotion and turn selfies into sales. The first thing, and probably the most important thing you can do to turn a selfie into sales, is to turn the camera around message-wise. So you've got the camera pointed at you. There's no way about it. You got to be in the frame, or somebody at your company has to be in the frame. So how do we make that less about us and more about our mission, or more about the people we serve? You really got to take your message and turn it around and talk results, right? Not talk about, look at how I'm doing this and look at what I'm doing. We've got to talk about why we're doing it. The first way to walk that line of self-promotion is to make the message about the people you serve. The message has to be about the people you serve, not about your company, not facing inward. We want to turn that lens around and put it outward, show the results, show the testimonials, show the why you do it and how it impacts the rest of the world. And that's the first way. Number 2, have some thought into what you're shooting, right? So you see, this is my office and I'm in here. So you've got my Hug Your People sign. That's my nonprofit organization. You can see I've got some artwork. I used to live in New York City. So this is New York, reminds me of where I came from, where I started. And this is just a comfortable space. You want to put some thought into what you're shooting. So this whole scene is not just about me. You're seeing things that I'm into, things that I'm interested in. So you get a little deeper perspective. Even if I'm selling you the course, you're going to feel like you're part of my world. Always make sure that your environment represents your message and that it is something where people can learn a little bit about you as they look around your space. And number 3, how to turn a selfie into sales. It really is about vulnerability, and it doesn't mean you manufacture authenticity, you manufacture struggle or vulnerability. It really is about being vulnerable. You know, when you're doing, giving your message, when you've got that camera turned around at you, you always want to be vulnerable. You don't want to be perfect. You don't want to have it fully produced. You know, this video, yeah, I've got the studio lights on, I've got the mic, I've got everything I need because I want you to be able to clearly hear me and see me. When I'm presenting a message that's a sales message, I want it to be real. As we look through business, as we look through how we grow a business, that's very important that we maintain that vulnerability, but that we don't manufacture it. So how do you take the selfie and make it into sales? You make it human. You make it natural. You talk to the camera like it's a person, like I'm trying to talk to you right now. I'm trying to talk to you like you are who you are, sitting where you're sitting, doing what you're doing, saying, Kev, tell me what I need to know, right? I really want that to come across. So when you treat the camera as a person, you become human, you become vulnerable, you become transparent, you just become all the things that we are face to face anyway. Yo, there you have it. 3 things, way to turn your selfie into sales and also walk that fine line of promotion. So is this business or is this vanity? Yes, it's probably both on some level, but business rules, vanity doesn't do anything, right? It's not about me saying, see me. It's about me saying, see what I do for them. See what they're benefiting from. We've got to show examples out in the world of that we matter, that we move the needle, that we help other people. And so that's really what this is about. Hit me up in the comments below with any questions. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to drop them every single week. Always subscribe, bell, you know the drill. This is Kevin, PDB Partners. We'll see you next time.